Ooh, one of my favorites. One of my favorites. So, what do we do here? So we're going to go pull forward straight, miss everything. I want to see this little area here. It's actually kind of important. So we're going to use that little area. Oh, damn it. Waited too long. I was too busy talking. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Turn off a little bit to the left. Now we need to back up to right here. Okay. Okay, that'll do. That'll do. That'll do. The reason why now I want you to get as close as possible to this guy. The reason being is because there's going to be some crazy swing. Okay, I think that's as good as I can possibly get it. All right, because the swing of the trailer is going to be crazy, and I never actually have to use any of this area here. So off to the left. Okay, and now I can go back to the right. See, I'm still not even using it, you know? Okay, now I can just drive straight. So you see the swing? Whoa. All right, going way too fast, David. Let's slow her down. So we need to pull a U-turn. So as wide as we can. As wide as we can. And if I hit this guy, well, not if I hit it, if I'm going to hit it before I stop, we can always stop and do a reverse. Okay, we're going to keep everything as wide as you can. Because if you don't go as wide as you can, the back of the truck will hit the side of the trailer. Okay, so I'm going as hard. See how close it's getting? Okay, we got to keep going. Got to keep going as wide as we can. And okay, now I'm going to start straightening up. We're in a much better position. And let's jackknife now. Oh, I think I did that terribly wrong. Oh boy. I thought I did it wrong, but you know, I just could have done it better. I jackknifed too soon, is all. Okay, let's try now. Again, that's how you fix that. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. All right, I'm going to keep going. The reason why I'm going to keep going way beyond parallel is that when I do my pull forward, guess what happens? The trailer starts to straighten up. See that? Okay, now back to the right. And we're in.